Greetings, everyone. Wayne McRae here, better known as the voice of the PD, doing something that I normally don't do or have never done before, and that is record inside a vehicle. I've seen a lot of people do it before, and I never understood why. And let me explain why they do it. It's because it's soundproof. Most people did not know that you can record in your car and it prevents a lot of the distortion and other sounds that come from the outside. And you're able to record inside your vehicle. So if you want high quality sound on a low budget and you have a great phone, use your phone to record inside your car. This is just a little tip from the voice of the PD. Till next time, keep progressing.